Welcome to Dialora, transforming call handling through automation. Our innovation-driven platform offers powerful features for modern call centers, like smart call distribution to route calls to the right agents quickly, instant scalability to handle call spikes effortlessly, quality assurance to maintain top service standards, and intelligent analytics for optimization and performance insights. So, how does Dialora work? Through intelligent automation that streamlines workflows in 3 easy steps. 1. Set up and create your AI agent in seconds with your preferred language, tone, and call flow. 2. The AI agent handles the calls by booking appointments, answering queries, and taking care of all follow-ups. 3. Get instant insights by tracking every call's outcome, customer sentiment, and performance in real time. On the dashboard, you can add an agent from a list of pre-built agents. However, if you would like to customize for a specific use case, then an option to create a new agent from scratch is available to you. And when it comes to integration, Dialora connects effortlessly with CRM systems like Salesforce and HubSpot, help desk software like Zendesk and Freshdesk, and communication platforms like Slack and Microsoft Teams. And if you need something more specific, Dialora's got you covered with custom APIs and webhooks, delivering tailored solutions for your unique business needs.
I will show you how it works.
Welcome to Active Life Physiotherapy Clinic. How can I assist you today?
Hey, I want to book an appointment.
What's injury rehab, back pain treatment, muscle therapy, or consultation? What type of service would you like to book?
I do have a back pain. What is your suggestion? Which service is relevant with that?
For back pain, we offer back pain treatment and muscle therapy.
Yeah,
Which
book
one
that
would you
one.
like to book?
Yeah, book the first one.
Great choice. When would you like to book your back pain treatment appointment?
Tomorrow morning, maybe 9 a.m.
Just give me a moment. I'll
Okay.
be back with you.
Okay.
I have available slots for tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Would you like to proceed with booking your back pain treatment at that time?
Yeah, please go ahead, 9 a.m.
Please provide your name to confirm the appointment.
Oh, my name is Nishant.
Your appointment for back pain treatment is scheduled on January the 24th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Thank you for booking with us, Nishant.
Thank
We
you.
look forward to You're welcome.
Experience the future of call handling with Dialora, where innovation meets efficiency.
Hey, this is Bryce from Dialora. Am I speaking with Matthew?
Yeah, this is Matthew.
Awesome. I just wanted to follow up about your upcoming demo call. Is now a good time to chat for a minute?
Yeah, sure. What's this about again?
So I just want to confirm your scheduled call with Emma, our senior automation specialist. That's set for Wednesday at 2 p.m. Pacific time. Does that still work for you?
Oh, right. Yeah, I think that's fine.
Cool. Just so you know, I'm an AI assistant, not a bot. More like, an advanced AI that helps with scheduling and making sure you have everything you need before the call. If you've got any questions ahead of time, I can help with that too.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, what exactly do you guys do?
Great question. So, Dialora is all about AI-driven customer engagement. Basically, we help businesses, like yours, automate follow-ups, manage scheduling, and, improve conversion rates. Does that sound like something you'd find useful?
Yeah, actually. So how does it work with CRMs?
Good question. So, we integrate seamlessly with platforms like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Pipedrive. The AI can automatically engage leads, book appointments, and send personalized follow-ups. By the way, which CRM are you currently using?
I'm on HubSpot.
Oh, perfect. HubSpot works really well with our system. Are you currently running any outreach campaigns?
Yeah, mostly email and some SMS follow-ups.
Got it. So the cool thing is our AI can take over those touch points, making follow-ups feel way more natural and timely. Would you want to go over how that could work during your call with Emma?
Yeah, that'd be good to go over.
Awesome. Just to make sure your demo is locked in for Wednesday at 2 p.m. Pacific. Oh, and before I let you go, are you interested in voice-based AI follow-ups too?
Oh, wait, you guys do voice follow-ups too?
Yep. Our AI can actually make outbound calls, kind of like this one, to re-engage leads and schedule appointments for you. It's a great way to, bring back leads who might have gone cold. Does that sound like something you'd be interested in?
Oh, yeah, that actually sounds really useful.
Sweet. We can definitely go deeper into that on your call. So yeah, just to wrap up, you're all set for Wednesday at 2 p.m. Pacific. Anything else I can help with before then?
No, I think that covers it.
All right, cool. Looking forward to your call with Emma. Have a great rest of your day, Matthew.
Yeah, thanks. You too.